Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now scroll down, and at the left bottom we have update, so tap at this. And now click download and install. And we need to put these earbuds to the charging case. Now we can click. I'm going to speed up it for you and then I will show you successful update. Click OK, and now we can check again, did we have connection with them. Okay, so we can check, is it finished? Update. Yes, we have the latest software version. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.